Good morning, brother. Good morning, Mrs. Kaushal. Good morning, teachers and my dear children. Today, we are going to do our assembly on Earth Day. But before we begin, I would like to tell you about our founder, Blessed Edmund Rice. Children, as we reflect on the teachings of our founder, Blessed Edmund Rice, his values of compassion and care for the marginalized, that is the poor children, resonate deeply with the essence of the Earth Day. So today, let us come together to honor the planet, acknowledge our shared responsibilities to protect and preserve this beautiful Earth. So the children of class 3C will now present the assembly on Earth Day. I request everyone to please join your hands and sit in silence as we begin the assembly. I request Isaiah to please come forward.
Oh, very good morning to you, Brother Robert, Mrs. Caution, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we, the children of Class 3C, will present before you our assembly on Earth Day. So, let us begin our assembly with a short prayer as this new academic session starts, and we seek God's blessings as each one of us present here today. Now, I request each one of you to please join your hands and close your eyes as Timothy and Abik leads us into the prayer. Dear God, thank you for this new day. May your light guide my path, fill me with strength and grant me wisdom to face the day's challenges. Lord, grant us the wisdom to take care of our planet Earth. Help us to act now for the betterment of future generations and all living beings. May we become an instrument of a new creation and use the resources of this world wisely. Help us to deepen our gratitude for everything you have given us. Begin a renewed commitment to care for the earth and for one another. Amen. Dear friends, today we would like to spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. What do you mean by conserve? Can we conserve the environment? Yes, definitely we can. By conserving, we mean a healthy environment which is kept safe for a long period of time. The environment gives us countless forests, trees, animals, water, and air. Yes, I know that trees filter the air and absorbs harmful gases. Oh dear, I'm feeling so hot. I can't breathe. I'm feeling suffocated. So much smoke. All my trees are being cut. Even the water is dirty. There is so much garbage in the water. You are saying that my trees are vanishing? I am dying. My water bodies are drying up too. Please, can you do something to help me survive again? Please, can you do something to help save me? Earth, please don't worry. As we step into the 21st century, world leaders have realized that sustainable growth is necessary for the humans and the planet. Thus, countries came up with the 17 SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, that cater to the 5 Ps: people, planet, peace, prosperity, and partnership. The 17 SDGs provide us with a clear set of guidelines that we can work towards in order to achieve a better future for the people and the planet while attaining peace, prosperity, and partnership. the Earth. Everyone, it's not just a planet, it's our home. We have to do something. So today, let's learn how we can be superheroes. Just like superheroes have superpowers, we have the power to make our Earth a cleaner and healthier place. Even small things we do, like saving water, using less plastic, can be like magic spells that make our Earth a better place. Now, we will present a beautiful story for you. The recent Chikku movement started at the villages of Uttarakhand region. Chikku me, Ag, Oakling. This movement was announced by Gora Devi, and with the help of other women, they joined hands and hugged the trees. And even though the men tried their best to cut the trees, they could not and had to finally leave. This forced more women to join hands and join to force men to stop cutting trees. Soon, all over the world listened to Gora Devi. This movement was called the Chipko movement. From this movement, we learn that when the need arises, people can join hands and fight together to help save the Mother Earth. There can be no sustainable developments without peace. Now we present a poem on you for fight peace. In our world, diverse with love and grace, we unite in one shared embrace. Together, we pledge to make things right, with five P's as our guiding light. Peace, the force in hearts we'll find, bringing love to all mankind. Planet, the second, we'll cherish one as motherhood as our joyful God. Prosperity, the third, we aim to see for you, my friend, and for me. Partnership, the fourth, we stand tall. Joining hands, we conquer all. For the fifth P, our missions are clear. Care for all people and planet dear. Let's march forward, hearts aglow, towards the future we all will know. Love,